Welcome to our YouTube channel, Vikiran Drishti. Today I am live with new lecture series in radiology and imaging technology. The topic of today's lecture is record keeping. Those who have not subscribed this channel yet, please quickly like, comments and subscribe so that you keep getting notification of all new videos. Let's start. Introduction. Performing a radiological imaging procedure alone is not enough to ensure complete patient care. Accurate and high-quality documentation is vital. Proper record keeping enables seamless continuity of care, even in emergencies, and serves as the eyes and ears of healthcare professionals for precise patient management. As modern medicine becomes more complex, maintaining clear and comprehensive records is also essential for legal protection amid increasing medico-legal challenges. Purpose: to support the quality of care provided for the patient. To facilitate communication between professionals. To maintain a record of the diagnosis and treatment. To plan future diagnostic procedure and therapy for the patient. To record patient history of performed diagnostic procedure and diagnosis. Guidance of continuance. Material management. Material for education and research. A legal document admissible in courts as evidence. Principles to follow in record keeping. Records should be made as soon as possible after the events which are recorded. They should be accurate, comprehensive and clear. They should be written legibly and be jargon-free. They should avoid opinion and record the facts of what is observed. They should be signed and dated by the maker. They should not include abbreviations unless they are taken from an approved list. They should not be altered unless the changes are made so that the original entry is clearly crossed out but still readable. Any change should be signed and dated. Types of records in the radiology department. Administrative records. Clinical records. Quality assurance and safety records. Administrative records. These records help in managing patient flow and maintaining department operations. These are of the following type. Patient appointment records. Request form. Patient registration register. Inventory record. Patient appointment records. Contains details of scheduled appointments, including date, time, and type of radiological examination. Request form. A formal document from the referring physician requesting a radiological examination. Includes patient details, clinical history, and the type of examination required. Patient registration register. Records essential patient details such as serial number or examination number, central registration number, patient name, age and gender, type of examination, referring physician, remarks and radiographer's signature, radiographer's ID or film number. Inventory record. Maintains stock of essential radiology materials, including X-ray or imaging films, contrast media, emergency drugs and medicines, personal radiation safety equipment, lead apron, thyroid shield, etc., X-ray machines, grids, other necessary supplies, clinical records. These records pertain to patient diagnostics, imaging, and examination results. Radiographs, X-ray films images. High-quality radiographs stored with proper annotations. Maintained as per regulatory guidelines for future reference. Best stored in stiff, standard format envelopes or digital archives. Report records. Contains radiology reports prepared by radiologists based on imaging findings. Includes patient identification, clinical history, findings, and interpretation. Quality assurance and safety records. Ensuring the quality and safety of radiology services. QA/QC reports, quality assurance and quality control. Calibration records, regular calibration logs of imaging equipment. Corrective maintenance reports, records of equipment repairs and servicing. Preventive maintenance reports, scheduled maintenance logs to ensure equipment efficiency. Dosimetry records. Records of radiation exposure levels for radiology personnel. Ensures compliance with radiation safety standards.